Today I will show you how to register a .com domain for only $4.99. First, create a new account on GoDaddy. Make sure you complete your contact information properly. This step is important for promo eligibility. Next, search for your desired .com domain and add it in your cart. The price should be $4.99 for the first year. If the price is higher, simply apply the promo code GD welcome and a price will drop to the $4.99. Before checkout, remove all unnecessary add-on like website builder, email and hosting. Now you can complete the purchase. If all your domain and hosting are on the GoDaddy, you can use the domain immediately or you can transfer into your another GoDaddy account immediately without any issues. If your domain are registered with another provider, GoDaddy applies a 60-day transfer law, so you cannot transfer it immediately. However, you can change the name server and connect the domain to your hosting right away and transfer it later once the lock is removed. This way, you will get the domain cheap and still keep your domain full control. So, in this way, you will receive a huge discount on .com domain and you can use this trick for multiple domains. Thank you.